question number 8. What is the key difference between primary and secondary sewage treatment? Okay, so this is what again, students? This is a difference, and difference we'll do it in two ways. One, classical way of writing a difference, and two, we will categorize it. As we categorize, we'll have categories: primary waste and secondary waste. Let's start with the classical manner first. Okay, so what does primary treatment mean? It involves physical removal of solid particles from the sewage. So all the physical things, physically. So manually we are removing all the solid particles. Now, secondary means what, students? It involves aerobic oxidation of organic matter present in the primary effluent by microbes. So it will, in secondary treatment, they will let the particles get oxidized aerobically. Now, primary method, the solids are removed through filtration and sedimentation. Sedimentation means solids will settle down and the rest would be filtered. Whereas in secondary treatment, the effluent is consistently agitated. That means it is moved in a specific manner mechanically for aeration to allow vigorous growth of microbes to decompose the organic matter. Okay, so they will let the microbes breathe, they let them grow, and those microbes will destroy or decompose the organic matter. Now, let's categorize this. We'll make 3 columns. One will be of categories, the other one will be of primary sewage treatment and secondary sewage treatment. Now, it involves what? Primary will be physical removal, secondary would be aerobic oxidation of primary effluent. Now, filtration and sedimentation. Yes, filtration and sedimentation, no. Mechanical agitation for aeration to let microbes grow and decompose the organic matter. For primary sewage treatment, no. For secondary, yes. So students, try remembering the categories. Rest you have to just write yes or no, or in 1 or 2 words. Okay students, so we are done with question number 8. Now,